Bilt credit card honest review. So, the first thing that you want to do is know that the Bilt mastercard allows you to earn points on rent payments without any transaction fees. Over here, you can earn up to 1x points on rent payments capped at $100,000 annually. After that, the card comes with no annual fee. Then you earn 3x points on dining, 2x points on travel, and 1x point on other purchases. Over here, to qualify for these rewards, you must make at least 5 transactions each statement period. After that, you can redeem points by transferring them to airline and hotel partners like American Airlines, Hyatt, and Virgin Atlantic. Then, points can also be used for rent, a future mortgage down payment, or fitness classes. Over here, booking travel through the Bilt travel portal gives you a 25% bonus. After that, the card includes no foreign transaction fees and offers travel protections such as trip cancellation, trip delay reimbursement, and auto rental collision damage waiver. Then, it also provides cellular phone protection for up to $800 per claim when the phone bill is paid with the card. Over here, there is no public sign-up bonus, although some users report targeted offers. After that, the 5 transaction per month requirement might be a drawback for some users. Then, on the first of each month, Bilt offers a rent day promotion where you can earn double points on non-rent purchases. Over here, if your rent is around $1,480 per month, you could earn around 60,000 points a year, which can be transferred for travel rewards. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.